Transmere 2025. I'm here on the Alstom stand. I'm with the Egypt Alstom MD, Ramy. What's happening here in Egypt?
The presence of Alstom in Egypt since more than 40 years. Today you are executing a big bunch of projects with the Ministry of Transport, with its authorities, National Authority for Tunnels and the Egyptian National Railways. We have big pleasure to be serving the Egyptian market, capitalizing our growth in Egypt on the Egyptian talents, mostly. We are in Egypt now more than 800 employees. 99% of them are Egyptians. We depend on the Egyptian capabilities over many domains, not only simple topics, but very complex engineering applications. In our engineering center, we are also extending our footprint, industrial footprint of Alstom in Egypt, building our manufacturing complex in Alexandria, in Borg Al Arab, now doing the foundation of the first factory. We aim to export to serve the Egyptian economy because the relationship between Alstom and the Ministry of Transport and the Egyptian government in general is based on partnership relationship, not as a vendor-vendee relationship. So we are so glad to be in the Egyptian market for all this long time. Today you are executing the prestigious project of Egypt, which is the monorail, the longest in Egypt, Middle East and Africa. It's more than 100 kilometers, over 2 lines, 57 in east of Nile and 43 in east and west of Nile. We are also delivering and supplying the 55 trains of Cairo Metro Line 1, as well as we have finished the development and the modernization of the signaling project on Banu Suef Asyut. We are so proud to have this strong presence in the country. As we mentioned, we also aim to be double this number within the coming 3 to 4 years, so that we have our Egyptian identity in the country.
Amongst the projects that you've got going on now, what for you is the most strategic project?
All of them are having the same importance for the country. Cairo Metro Line 1 serves many passengers, density population. Cairo Monorail is a good connection between Old Cairo and New Cairo, same as the West of Nile Monorail, that's between Old Giza and New Giza. So all of them are strategic. Banu Suef Asyut project increase the headway of the trains on the line, providing Egypt with a very safe and reliable signaling system and railway system in general.
So I noticed that there's a big population here in Egypt. I mean, it's enormous. Is all the projects that you're talking about, do they all connect? Are they all integrated?
Yes, I think here we are talking about the vision of the Ministry of Transport to establish a network that connects the passengers from one place to the other, which they are very successful in. If you look at the intersections of the line, you find line 1 is connected with line 2, with line 3, futurely with line 4. The monorail is connecting with Cairo Metro Line 3. So this interconnection is happening in order to serve the passengers, in order to enhance and boost more the concepts of the public transportation in Egypt.
With the Vision 2030 and Egypt's very strong focus on rail being a backbone for transport, what are the next projects that Alstom could possibly be involved with?
We are now focusing with the Ministry of Transport on Cairo Metro Line 6. This is one of the key strategic projects for the country, and we are so proud to be the partner among other French companies with the Egyptian government, represented by the Ministry of Transport, in developing this project.
And for you, I mean, is there additional growth expectations coming through from both people, local content, more skills transfer, especially I assume with the factory that's being built?
Before the factory, we have established in Egypt engineering center that exports engineering applications fully done by Egyptians to Alstom sites all over the world. And this encouraged Alstom to take the second step to establish the manufacturing facilities in Egypt. This is because of the very high potential of the Egyptian candidates, either fresh graduates or experienced engineers. They are really with very high quality and very high capabilities. They are able to digest and produce what is produced in any country all over the world.